Hey everybody, this is Joe. Joe's Premium Firewood, coming to you live on 1/1/24, January 11th, 2024. Triple ones. Might want to play that in the lottery tonight, Mike. How'd you do on your scratch-off tickets yesterday?
Good.
$40?
Yep.
There you go. How much did the bar cost that I sold you?
$40.
There you go. Got a bar for free. Well, as you can see here, he's got this mystery box that Rogala sent, and Brad just said it's horizontal. Say hi, Brad.
Hi, Brad.
There we go. We got that package. Yes, you can see we're getting the storm before the storm. So Mike loaded this last night, so you can see how much you got, and the roads are bad, and I got a long way to go, so I want to get this loaded up fairly quick, but we got to make sure Rogala's here before we open it. If you wonder what Brad I was talking about, it'd be that guy right there in Maryland. Hopefully the weather's like this during the fellowship. Nice cold weather for the winter, and the ground freezes. You can see Mike's starting to toss in the limb wood, and we loaded up some of my brother's stuff. Of course, it's all cut long. It's 16 to 20 inches, but I believe the customer has a fireplace, so I don't think they're too long. So we got to get a Joe cord in here. So once we get going, after he unboxes that, once we get going, we're going to split till this has a Joe cord in there, which will take about half his load. Then we're going to move this time we're going to record it. We're going to move the splitter back here to bay number 2, because I want to get this filled up, because Mike might be getting shut down. They're forecasting us to have the most snow in the area. They're saying over 14 inches of snow. We'll see if it happens. They try to put the fear in God in you know, on these storms. But, you know, they did it last year. Said, oh, you're going to get 20 inches, and we got like 8 or something like that, which is fine by me when they're wrong that way. But, and those are just wet from being outside. Oh, look at that one. That was bundle gray right there, Mike. Was that ash, or that's
That's ash.
that is ash. Okay, yeah, look at that. Is that what you call bundle grade? I bet you Brad would be splitting that on the access, making some bundle wood. So, and then I got to put I got my gloves in here warming up. The battery power gloves. Thanks again, whoever sent those. Well, I'm gonna, Mike, why don't you go ahead and open that? I think Rogala's here. I hope he is. Hi, Jeffrey. Yep, Rogala's here. Let's see what we got. What's in the box? Hope something just doesn't blow out. I thought it might be smoked dogfish. Uh-oh, looks like there is some meat in there. Could be. What do you got, Mike? Open it up. I'm going to have to take that up to the house, unless some of it's for you. You never know. So what do you got in here?
Oh, I don't know, all kinds of fish in there.
Got some fish. I hope it's not. It stayed cold. Does it feel cold to you?
Yeah, it's so cold.
Now, who is this for? Is there one on there with Mike's name on it? Should I give him one?
That's fine.
You know, I'm going to give you one. I'm going to give you one because, you know, he hasn't been bad. Your wife likes smoked fish, right?
Yeah, I don't eat.
Why don't you give her one of those?
Okay.
So go ahead. What do you say?
Thank you, Rogala.
Says, thanks, Rogala. Thanks for the fish. I really love them, too, with, you know, crackers and whatnot. So, all right, Mike, you go ahead and start up the splitter. We'll get it warming up. I'll run that into the house real quick. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, Rogala. I love it. I love that stuff. As long as it ain't smoked dogfish like that Mike catches. Dude. Oh, yeah, set it on there. I'll get it. I'll get it here. Take the box, too. Just set everything up there. I'll grab it. I'm going to put this on the tripod. They can watch you work while I put that away. We ain't playing games. It's time to get to work. No games will be played. Just like the hat says. No games. Oh, I just had a big snowflake go down the back of my neck. Full throttle. Full throttle, folks. All right, I gotta go put this away. Thank you again, Rogala. But yeah, we got another couple inches of snow tonight. overnight. And I got to drive down to Portage. Not Portage, Indiana, Portage, Michigan, Rogala. Alright, I'm gonna go put that smoked meat away. Just put it on the porch for now. Oh man, the big snowflakes just fell on me again. Fingers are freezing. Yeah, that doesn't help either. When my fingers freeze while I'm doing the video. You know, I can't do it with my gloves. Can't start it. Can't put it on the tripod. Boy, those are warm when I put them on, those gloves. This will be my 5th delivery this week. I got one more to do tomorrow, but I told them depends on what time the storm hits. It's a little bit closer than where I'm going today. So this load I'm getting paid $240 for. Tomorrow will just be a normal truckload, and it's closer, so I'm only going to get $200 for the face cord delivered. This is going to be a Joe cord again today. I'd rather not do half cords unless I have the trailer available and it's full, and I don't know when I'm going to split that stuff. Mike said it's pretty wet, so Mike's got the dry stuff for me, so I'm going to keep buying from Mike. But Mike won't be able to Mike almost got stuck at the delivery yesterday. Had to tear up the guy's yard to get out, but at least he was cool with it. James didn't mind. James didn't care about his yard. You didn't get it that bad, I don't think. But yeah, no 4-wheel drive for Mike, so he's trying to find a drive shaft, the front drive shaft long enough for it, because the transmission he's got in there came out of a Tahoe, right, Mike? I've already delivered to this customer once this year. Normally they only take them one load. Is that the rest of that cherry from that tree, Mike? You know, and I don't think that's too long because he does have a fireplace. That one looks a little long, doesn't it? Right there. Well, the one next to it's 16. It's okay, this stuff's good and dry. Yep, this is the cherry that he cut down with his new saw. Thank you, Daryl.
Thank you, Daryl.
Yeah, if it's wide, be like my brother, split it super thin. If Bill Moon's watching, I think he said he was going to try to watch. We need to get some JPF art on that hoodie of his. I was waiting to see when you noticed that. Yeah, I do it all the time too. But the last time I delivered to this guy, he got a half cord, and I just didn't feel like, I guess I have Mike's help. I could have, you know, I wasn't sure I was going to have him back today. But since I got another one to go tomorrow, I had him back. I probably could have put a half cord in there. The guy said I could bring them either or. I just soon bring them a Joe cord, even though it's less, you know, $40 less for me. Don't have to bother stacking it. What do you think? Should we boiler wood this part or what? You want to try to get some nice pieces off it? Yeah, that can go in. No, too late now. Too late now. Let's see. This is like a major knot. Let's just give it to Mom, actually. Well, so if we mangle it, you know what I mean? Mom needs some wood. She's getting low. She's getting all worried. Thinking we're going to be snowed in.
I don't know why everybody's freaked out.
Because the news tries to scare you. Yeah. Try it like this. See if that'll do it. See, yeah. You can give that to her. I wanted to give her something. Yeah. That's kind of scary. It'd be a big, you know, a big all-nighter for Mom. And when it gets knotty like that and it's cut at an angle, you're just asking for trouble. We don't want Mike to smash his finger again, do we? There's one hater that every single video, no thumbs were smashed in the making of this video. You know, it wasn't funny the first time, but he told it. It certainly isn't funny the 50th time he's told it. Yeah, we get snowed in. I'm going to have to be living off that smoked meat. That smoked fish. That lake trout, or what is that? Make sure you give some of that to your wife, Mike. Don't eat it on the way home. Oh, he doesn't eat fish, so that's going to Mike's wife. Happy wife, happy life. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah. I don't eat fish.
Say thanks, Rogala.
Thanks, Rogala. Yeah, I don't eat fish. I just got
Yeah, I figure it'll take about 3 rows. I just gotta let the customer know we gotta put my brother's oak in. Nice shot. Some nice ash right here. Is this off that same tree from yesterday?
maybe, I don't remember.
How much wood do you have left at your house? One more truckload maybe? We're down to one more truckload and what I got left in Bay 2. There's some out back. There's some out back that I can get to, some oak. And but that restaurant I got to deliver to, I sure hope we don't get the 14 inches they're saying, because I might not be able to make it back there. And I sure as hell ain't going to shovel it. And I know I tried having our plow guy plow it last year, and he couldn't get to it the last time we had a lot of snow. Yeah, trying to straighten it out. We got Billy Otis in the house today. Thinking about union break time. It's gonna get real cold. I better start bringing in my drinks. They're gonna freeze solid.
This is out of a different series.
Well, this is the first row, all done. But all 6 deliveries this week were to loyal customers. Oh, it got some oak. Well, my brother had some oak too. Just joining us, the surplus that's in here, we're not splitting back into Mike's truck because he doesn't. This guy only wants 1 truckload. Like yesterday, we had to deliver 2 to the same customer. So we're going to split the rest out into bay number 2. This one feels waterlogged. Might put this with Phil's. Hey Mike, I got the waterlogged ones, we can put them in bay 2. We'll just throw them off to the side, okay? Better adjust the camera and come around, take the long way. If there's any haters watching, I got some yellow snow over here you can eat. This sassafras will be good for starting fires. You almost got this one, Mike. snow starts getting compressed, it gets real slippery. I hope nobody's saying I'm not doing enough live streams. This is what? How many days in a row now? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, now Thursday, or today, yeah, no, today's Thursday. You got them thumbs up coming, folks. Hit the thumbs up. Fingers are still warm. Fingers are still warm. You hit them thumbs up. Mike's starting to struggle with his aim, but throwing the individual pieces in is a lot harder than throwing them rounds in. Right, Mike? You got to stack it up a little bit on the front and stacked in the back. Definitely have a 10-foot by 4-foot stack up pile here once we get unloaded in the guy's garage. That to Mom? Okay. And we got a ways to go. We'll get everything split that we got right there that you can reach. Might have to get some of those, but then we got to move all the stuff to the back anyway. Got it in there. Yeah, today's snowing out, folks. It's coming off the trees when the wind starts to blow. Sometimes you get huge, a ton of it fall off on you at once. See where we're at. We get all those right there, Mike. This is going to be a $240 Joe cord delivered and stacked inside the guy's garage. Nice shot. Dry cherry. Yeah, the outside there. Yeah, this is stump. Here comes the snow falling off the trees. Looks pretty good. I think we're pretty good, Mike. What do you think? Get those 3 little ones off the top, we'll call it. This guy's a good customer. He was in the Air Force. I think he's still active duty, so we'll give him some extra pieces for serving our country. You can see we got a decent amount in there right now. It's getting harder to throw them without them falling. Pretty good. No. All right, Mike, start moving them forward. I'll come over and help you in a minute. And we got to reposition everything. Usually I don't show this just because it's got to stop and keep tending to the camera, trying to get things done around here. All right, I'm gonna move my truck out of the way, and I'm gonna move the splitter over there. See, we got a Joe cord in there, a little extra for him today. Gives me some weight when I'm driving. But we're gonna move all these. We're gonna move all these to the back because we're gonna split them out here. So let me move my truck. I'll be right back. Our driveway is an ice skating rink. Mom's really got to watch it. I don't want her falling down and breaking her hip. Yeah, Mike, you'll have to come over to this side here. Let me, gotta move this scrap wood for Grandma out of the way. And then I'm going to take the splitter over there. And Mike can back up to me. Hopefully he can back up. With that weight in the back, he should be able to, right, Mike? I'm watching you guys. Keep an eye on Mike. All right, coming back to help, guys. I'm on my way. Don't worry, Mike. I'm gonna help you. Whoa! Bet you can't do that again. Bet you can't do that again, folks. Well, we got a barrel over there we can put in. So I took some pieces out of there the other day. Should be some room in there. All right, Mike, you ready? Mike has to chock his wheels because the truck just wants to roll wherever. So just back up on the side of it, on the corner, Mike. Just go angle, between that mobile splitter, that mobile stand. You know what I mean? Just go up to the side of it. I'll leave that back there. There we go. It's pretty flat ground back there, Mike. Oh, is that wheelbarrow? Just take that right up to the mom right now, then. Because it's pretty much full anyway. So this is what we got left to split. My truck's over there. With my white truck, it looks like camouflage. When it's snowing, I make sure I turn on my lights so people can see me. See, we probably got about a 2-week supply of wood up there at the house right now. You can move that other one out of the way so we don't trip on those arms when she backs up. That's what he's doing. All right. So now I can kind of read your thing. Somebody said good morning. Somebody said good morning, Mike. All right, let's see if he can back up to me. He's got this weight in the back, but well, this isn't smashed down, so it gives you a little bit of traction right now. But if this was smashed down ice, he couldn't back up a 1 degree angle. All right, so we got to go in here. So he's going to back up right here. Now, one thing you can say, it is pretty. It looks like crap when everything's out there just all blah all the time. So the snow does make it look pretty around here. But this is all the wood I got left right here, plus some back there. I got to make sure that I can get in through here, so I'm going to talk to the guys, people come plow our driveway, to see if they can plow me a path back here. But you see why I don't do this? Because it takes time. It takes time to get all this, everything set up. See him spinning his tires? But he's moving, at least he's moving. I just hope he don't hit that pillar to bay 1. Keep coming, Mike. Keep your momentum. Don't stop. Keep coming. Oh, said don't stop. All right. There's a big bump right there, big rut. Watch your mirror. Oh, he stopped again. But he's worried about his mirror hitting there. But he's got to get momentum, but it sucks him into that rut. There he goes. Now he's got it now. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. I might have to pull him out of here. Stop. Stop. What do you think? Did pretty good. I think he did good. All right. Let me get in there. I get it. Unless Mike's gonna start it. No, he probably wants me to. Hopefully I can squeeze back in here. Yeah, Mike, we can put the pieces for my mom in there.
Can you open that door and grab out of the glove when you get a chance, please?
Do what?
My glove. It's on that side of the truck.
This? Yeah, that damn rut kept sucking you in it. It's always nice to be able to put it right back into the truck and deliver it, but I gotta bank some. Because Mike's got one more truckload at his house, and he might not be able to get in the woods if we get a ton of snow, like they're saying. But I guess it's not really my problem, the customer's problem who doesn't order early. Do the best I can. Need about a 2 million square foot warehouse. Yep. Got one real big one in there. You can see that big piece of ash. Looks like the ash Brad cut the other day. Oh, a piece of maple. Careful. About like this. Is that the piece for my mom? Yeah, that's pretty bad. She'll like it. Super dry. Yeah, going to look dark in the middle. And I told you I could see that. Here's the big one. Glad he didn't make me lift this one up, folks. He's the Bullocks, not me. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yeah. wasn't quite sure about this one. It's pretty solid, actually. Yeah.
It didn't look like it was.
Alright, on the next one. Now this video will be like an hour long. Usually we can split one of his loads in like 45 minutes. Two guys, a single wedge. Yeah.
There's another one in there too.
And I told the customer he's got to go away, that I need to be there by 1. I think it's what, probably about 11:30 right now, maybe. Yeah. Any more like this, Mike? Any more like this?
No.
Okay. Oh, mulberry again, yeah. Yeah. And it's dry. And it's dry. Is that oak?
Yeah, that old.
Got it. Grab it. Okay. This look, that's white oak?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
White oak.
Yeah, it needs time to dry. Now I'm glad you didn't bring it. Now I'm glad you didn't bring it yesterday. Yeah. Gotta get Mike speeded up here. And get it staged. Get it staged on the tailgate. Now I don't have to walk to grab them. Not doing that on this one. Throwing it like that. Oh, starting to get close to being done. Starting to get the fingers just a little bit cold. I think if I was like out skiing or not handling snow and stuff that's wet and cold, I think my fingers would be fine in these gloves. They would keep them warm. But when you're handling wet snow, it just penetrates right through the gloves. Starting to get a little bit more in here, but I would say by the end of January I might start cleaning this out and start to refill it with semi-seasoned wood for next year, Mike. See there, looks like about maybe 12, 15 Joe cords in here right now. Something like that. Hit that one, yeah. Oh yeah. give it some time in there. But really, if somebody took these heavy wet pieces, let them sit by their fire for a few days, it would dry out real fast. Try to work with the customers as best as possible to train them, educate them on how to help me dry the wood. Because that's their job, just letting it sit. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Yep. That one's wet? Oh, yeah. Here, let me throw them. It's getting pretty steep. They're going to fall all the way down to the bottom. I got to get them way up there. Hopefully they can sit for a few weeks, dry out some. Blasted it on here. Should be able to reach it all now. Oh. This needs some time. Nice maple. Sorry I'm not talking as much to you. I know you guys are there. I did more talking at the beginning. Just trying to get done. Got a long drive. I don't know how the roads are. I don't want to be late. Never want to be late. Yeah, when Mike drove up here, there were some slick spots, especially on the side roads like our road. But he's got here at about 9:30. It's got to be at least 11:30 now. Those can go in. Yeah. Put some of that for Mom. Get that off her for her. There's probably like close to 2 wheelbarrow loads in that barrel right there. That's it. All right. See if you can get out of here, Mike. Oh, we got some more in there to sell. You know, try throwing the wet ones over in this corner. Give it some time to sit. All that's ready right there. Let's see if he can get out of here. Two-wheel drive, no weight in the back now. Should be interesting. Oh, he's going. Watching his mirror. He made it. He made it. He made it. All right. Hopefully, yeah, it gets out of the way. Don't want him to park this. So, and I'm letting this dry right there. A lot of that stuff Phil brought me was wet, but there you can see. And Mike, can you back the splitter in? And when you do it, try to get the splitter in the in that corner, because the closer to this wall, when the wind blows, it's going to bury it. So let's try to get it back into that corner some. You can handle that? Okay. Is that your transmission fluid, Mike? Look at that. Looks like a deer. Like somebody shot a deer. Look at that. That's not good, Mike. I hope you keep adding to it. Boy, look at it. And it's pouring out of there. I could track him all the way over here. Look at that. Goes right to his truck. So, we got my truck loaded with the Joe cord. So that's ready for delivery. $160 for the wood, $80 deliver, and they're going to help me stack it. See how Mike does backing up. Oh, he's struggling. He's struggling. Because the snow, this heavy wet snow just sucks you in all different directions. I think he's got it now. No pressure, Mike. I'm going to take off my gloves so I can take the camera off. Take that off the tripod. Should be fun backing in there too. You know, that splitter ain't light. He's got to get it turned around. But you know, I like backing it in because I like it to not too much snow get on it. Test out his skills right here. There's Bill Moon. There's Bill Moon watching. Who made this merchandise, Bill Moon? Mike needs you to put art on his a hoodie over there. He just got a new hoodie. Almost had it. That damn barrel got in the way. Yeah, I know, I understand. So I asked him to put it in that back corner, the farthest away from when the snow blows. Looks like he's gonna make it. There he goes. Keep going. A little further. About another foot. Just don't hit it. A little more. A little more. Okay. We're good. Thank you, Mike.
Yep.
All right. Well, I gotta get this man paid. I gotta get on the road. I got S to do. I gotta get her done. And I want to come back. I think I might load up the wood for tomorrow, so I don't have to go down there in the snow and do that. So, thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for all the thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe in this storm. Bye, Mike.
Bye.